Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Turbo on Yubo. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy steps. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Yubo app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be over here in this particular platform. And from here, where you need to go is you need to go all the way to your top right corner to your profile button. And then from here, what you need to do is you need to go to top right corner again to the settings option. And now here you'll be having this turbo mode. So to use turbo, you need to go over here firstly. And now it will ask you to subscribe. So just subscribe, make your payment, and then you'll be able to use Turbo on Yubo. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.